हरि करना।
So with this, it's a wrap up to the intuitive sampling and distribution course. So in this, we have seen research process and various research methodology and terminology of research and different types of researchers. And then we moved on to the sampling methods and sampling techniques. So probability sampling methods, non-probability sampling methods, and mixed methods also we have seen. After that, we have jumped into the distributions. Here we have started with the normal distribution, standard normal, then students T distribution, G distribution. Then we moved on to the other recent distributions such as chi-square, and then we also seen the F distribution. Then we recently just now we have seen exponential distribution, and then Poisson distribution, binomial distribution, and finally Weinbull distribution. So it's a big wrap up for this one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would be meeting you in another course, intuitive inferential statistics for you. See you then. Bye bye.